is going to be a large transformation of these bricks. When we first saw these bricks, we didn't think necessarily that we were going to come back to be able to restore their full glory, so to speak. But when I started working on them, look at this. You can see the edging that I've done. They're actually coming up an absolute treat. I'll show you here. This is probably one of the filthiest areas. Look at that brick. So it's going to be an absolutely fantastic feature for this home. They're preparing it for sale. I'm going to show you as I work. I will be using both the turbo head and also the rotary surface cleaner. That's the turbo head there. Okay folks, I'll keep you posted, and I'm really looking forward to getting this result for this customer. Here we are folks, finished result. Look at that. The results should speak for themselves, if you're going to pay me to do this kind of work for you. I think in this case they definitely do. So just a reminder, we did all of this brickwork through here. It's come up an absolute treat. Also did the brickwork through here. It's actually a really nice brick, this. And then just remember, we finished off with cleaning this laser light roof for them as well. So, and as you can see, that's come up pretty good.